Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ali. Today I'm going to explain JavaScript in simplest words possible. What is JavaScript? Have you ever clicked a button on a website, something instantly popped up, or played a video? That's not magic, that's JavaScript, bro. JavaScript is also known as JS, programming language that makes website come alive. Think of a website like a human. HTML is the body, CSS is the clothes, and JavaScript the brand that controls everything. And if you are a beginner, don't think too much about HTML or CSS. You will know it if you go through that path. Without JavaScript, a website will just sit there, silent, not reacting to anything. But with it, every click, scroll, animation becomes alive. When you like a post, play a game in your browser, or see a timer counting down, that's JavaScript behind the scenes. It's what turns a boring page into an experience. Every major site you use, YouTube, Facebook, Amazon, Instagram, Twitter, relies on JavaScript. It's not just for website anymore, it's used in mobile apps, servers, even artificial intelligence. So if you ever dreamed of creating apps, games, or your own website, JavaScript is your first key. Believe me. It's where creativity meets technology. So the next time you click something online, remember JavaScript the reason it reacts. And if you want to learn how to create with it, stay tuned because this is just the beginning.